example from our experience.
There have been enough of talks on climate change in the policy level at the national and international arena. It appears that there is no shortage of adaptation policies as to how best to fight climate change. But all this seem to remain on paper and do not come out of discussion table. Finance Minister A.M.A. Mohit cannot take it for granted that there is no investment being made to save the people of the country from the adverse impact of climate change.
When you come to a বড় ধরনের মিটিগেশন বা অ্যাডাপ্টেশন প্রোগ্রাম, আমি এক্সাম্পলও দিয়েছি। আমাদের কিসেরটা দেখেন, আজকে কাগজে আছে যে আমরা টেন্ডার করছি ফর দি লেদার জোন, প্রায় 300-350 কোটি টাকার প্রজেক্ট। কোনো ধরনের সাহায্য কোনোখান থেকে পাওয়া যায় নাই।
Fighting climate change is largely dependent on foreign aid. World Bank Executive Director Pulok Chatterjee says due to diplomatic problems between the donor and recipient countries, the aid often takes long time to be disbursed, making less or no impact of the money.
Both for the recipient countries and for the donors, some prioritization is absolutely essential because all areas cannot be covered.
Hassan Mahmood, State Minister for Forest and Environment, agrees with him, saying that all these procedures are very complicated, but he wants simplification of these procedures.
এই ক্ষেত্রে অর্থায়নের ক্ষেত্রে যে প্রসিডিউর দ্যাট ইজ ক্লামজি অ্যান্ড টাইম কনজিউমিং, এবং আমরা বলেছি যাতে সেটা ইজি করা হয় এবং লেস টাইম কনজিউমিং করা হয়।
Today was the opening day of the too-long 4th Global Environment Facility meeting of South Asia Constituency, presided over by the Secretary of Economic Relations Department M. Mosharraf Hossain Bhuiya. Representatives of India, Nepal, Bhutan, Maldives, Sri Lanka were also present. Abdullah Al Raihan, News and Images.